Hi. So the reason for us to be here is one of our relatives had put up a stall here. So that's the reason we were here. But to my surprise, the whole event was so beautifully arranged, and I had a lovely time here being a part of this event. So this Ahara Mela, though it is arranged by community organization, one community organization, but it's so heartwarming to see people from all caste, creed, and religion come here in order to savor the dishes made, to have a good rapport with the neighbors, and also it's a classic example of inclusivity and unity in diversity, which is a really beautiful thing to that I got to witness here. And also women empowerment is vividly seen because this is a Mahila Mandali which has organized the whole show. You can see how women are coming together strongly to come up organize events at such a big scale. And also the men in their houses, right from their husbands, their sons, their son-in-laws, who helping them to make the food and also to help them showcase their talents is really really beautiful to see. And also apart from the food, I got to see a lot other things, majorly handicraft items and clothes, which is also one more point to be added. People from different age groups have put up stalls here. I saw an 80-year-old woman who had put up a stall, and also a 14-year-old kid who was helping her mom do, and also families coming together to prepare one dish, which is also a beautiful opportunity for the family to bound up together.
We are working women, and after a week of busy work, we come here and we see so many good stalls, which is really inspiring. Even I am planning to put a stall next year so that we'll have a change from our busy life.
Kudos to the whole team for organizing and putting up such a great show, and I wish them all the best. I wish I keep coming here every year. So yeah, all the best. Thank you.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಲೂಕು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರ ಸಭಾ, ನೆಲಮಂಗಲ ತಾಲೂಕು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರ ಸಭಾ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಅಂಗಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮಾತಾ ವಿಪ್ರ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರು ಸತತ 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಹವ್ಯಾಸಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನಿಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕರಕೌಶಲ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೆಲಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರ ಮೂಲ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಘಟನೆ, ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾವಲಂಬನೆ, ಈ ಮೂರು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ವಾವಲಂಬನೆಯ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನಿಸುಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕವಾದ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ದವರು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನಿಸುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತುಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸತತವಾಗಿ 20 ವರ್ಷದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೆಲಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ₹100 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಶುಲ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಳೆದ 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ ತನಕ